The other source of happiness and this goes to this eudaimonic happiness, which is to do with purpose and meaning, and that is your values. You know, younger people these days are incredibly values driven. You know, they're incredibly values driven, and they're choosing to go into jobs with salaries much lower than they could get, for example, and they care about things in the world, and that's incredibly valuable and important because our egos ourselves are very vulnerable, and the greatest source of stress, which of course is a huge enemy of happiness, is anxiety and stress. The greatest source of stress is the fear of rejection by other people. You can measure that by cortisol secretions in the body, and so that's because we're a group species, and in evolutionary terms, being expelled from the group meant you were likely to die. If we affirm our values, to ourselves, what do you stand for? What is important to you? It could be relationships, could be religious, it could be ethics, it could be justice. And if you just write a few sentences, what are my values? Why do I hold them? And what do they mean to me? Just take a minute or two to do that. If someone then criticizes you or humiliates you, your brain responds quite differently. Having done that, it's called self-affirmation exercise. And that's because you've anchored your ego, yourself, in something that's eternal. Values are eternal. The ego, humans are not. So essentially they give a solidity that wards off essentially the fear of death that underpins all fragile egos.
I suppose what we're saying to people is, to summarize the chat that we've had, there's a few questions to be asked of ourselves over a cup of tea or a glass of wine or whatever that may be.
Yeah.
But there's a bit of reflection in terms of what do I stand for? What are my values? What makes me happy? By taking that step, you give yourself the greatest chance to become happier.
That's right. And we generally only really trust people who we perceive share our values. So finding people with shared values is an incredibly bonding, happiness-inducing thing.
Deep questions. I love it. I love when we chat because you're so interesting.
Vice versa.
It's when you bring people in who love what they do and they have life experience to bring to it.
Yeah.
The weight of not just the academia, but just the life experience.
Yeah.
It's fascinating. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you, Carol. It's been a real pleasure.